friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Forms of Matter Module 3. Today we'll understand what is solute, solvent and solution and what are soluble and insoluble substances with some exciting experiments. So let's begin. What is solute? The substances that dissolve completely in a liquid is called as a solute. For example, salt and sugar, etc. What is solvent? The liquid that dissolves other substances in it is called as solvent, for example, water, etc. What is solution? The mixture obtained when a solute completely dissolved in a liquid is called as a solution. For example, water plus sugar mixture is called as a sugar solution. What are soluble substances? The substances that dissolve completely in a solvent is called as a soluble substance. For example, salt, sugar, etc. Insoluble substances. The substances that cannot dissolve completely in a solvent is called as an insoluble substance. For example, oil, stone and sand, etc. Now we will learn all these things through a very small activity. So let's begin. So guys, here we have 4 glasses of water. In this bowl there is some sugar. Here there is some salt. In this bowl there is some chalk powder and in this bowl there is some oil. So first I will take 1 teaspoon of sugar and I will put in this glass and I will stir it for some time. So guys, you can see that the sugar has dissolved completely in the water and therefore it is a soluble substance. This mixture is called the sugar solution. Now I will take 1 teaspoon of salt and I will put in this glass and stir it for some time. So guys, you can see that the salt has also completely dissolved in the water and therefore it is also a soluble substance. And this mixture is called the salt solution. Now here I have some chalk powder and I will take it 1 teaspoon and I will pour it in this glass and I will stir it for some time. So you can see here that the chalk powder has not dissolved in the water and therefore it is an insoluble substance. Now in this bowl I will take 1 teaspoon of oil and I will pour it in this water and I will stir it for some time. So you can see that the oil has not dissolved in the water and it is on the surface of the water and therefore it is also insoluble substance. From this experiment you saw that the salt and sugar are the soluble substances and chalk powder and the oil are insoluble substances. So guys, if you like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon in the description below. Thank you. Bye bye.